be there in a second. Fixing up a few things for your family. I like that beat. That beat actually was pretty good. Y'all listen to that Drake album? That Drake album is popping, man. Y'all listen to that Drake album? Yo, Drizzy and 21 Savage went crazy with that one, man. I wish I could play the album. Shit, you know what I'm saying? I was jamming on that. I was actually looking at some charts, y'all. So y'all gotta bear with me real quick. Bear with me real quick. Value met on this thing. Y'all let me know if the music too loud or you know what I'm saying. Y'all know how this shit be, man. Y'all, you know how y'all is. Y'all some different acting people sometimes, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all be, you know what I'm saying? Alright, let's get into it. Let's look at this TERRA LUNA Classic chart here, baby. Let's see what we got going, man. Luna pumping, man. What's going on with the crypto space, man? We just chilling today, y'all, so don't expect me to come out here with no super info or nothing like that, man. We just chilling today. I'm really just talking to the chat. You feel me? I'm really just talking to the chat. All right, we here, man. I'm really just talking to the chat. You feel me? TERRA LUNA sitting at 3025, man. What's going on, y'all? I made a mistake. Right? I was trying to put a play in, right? You ever try to buy something, right? You ever try to buy something? No, you ever try to sell something, but then you ever just been looking at something and then you hit the wrong button and then you like, dang, I just sold everything and I wasn't even trying to sell it. That's what just happened to me a little earlier today. I had a little bag I was playing with my Polygon Matic, right? I made a mistake, y'all. I gotta be honest with y'all. I was attempting to take profits from my Polygon Matic and actually make a swing trade, right? I was trying to take profits from my Polygon Matic and make a swing trade into which was absolutely terrible because into D-Ray, because as you can see right here, I was looking at this chart and I was like, man, this definitely seemed like it's bottom. Let me take a little bit of my profits, do a little swing trade, and then bam, Polygon go up like 30, 35, 40%. And I wasn't paying attention to the RSI. I was more so focused on making a profitable swing trade. And I didn't even do no T&A originally on Polygon Matic. So I probably lost 20, 25%, 30% profit that I could have been right now at Polygon Matic. So I'm extremely pissed off, family. Right now I'm pissed off, man. I'm pissed off because this it's not doing nothing. Thank God I got a full portfolio, you know what I'm saying, at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? This is what we do. You know what I'm saying? I need to stop doing that because I be playing with my money like it's Monopoly money, like it's Monopoly cash or something. But I was trying to do a swing trade. You know what I'm saying? I was trying to catch a little hidden bearish divergence and hidden bullish divergence, whatever. Didn't work out. Now I'm stuck in the trade and hopefully it plays out because Polygonmatic been going crazy. Hold on, let me go here. Hold on. Shout out to Vote, man. Whoever been holding Vote, man. Shout out to the Vote community, man. Y'all got voted today, baby. Y'all got voted today, man. You know what I'm saying? I hold a very Paquito bag of Vote. I hold a Paquito bag of Vote, Baby Doge, and Chiefs Inu, all on my Trust wallet. So shout out to the people that, you know, that's been holding Vote. Man, Vote's been going crazy, man. Dog, he's been going crazy, man. The crypto space been really going crazy all this weekend and really all this week. It's just crazy because it's like job markets came out hot. Some things broken, some things not broken. The VIX is low, not high. And crypto still is pumping, man. So I'm just confused. You know what I mean? I honestly don't even want to make a prediction right now. I'm more so trying to figure out what's going on in the market. But what y'all think, man? TK, I was like, damn, y'all can't hear me, man. Y'all can hear me now. What's up with Vote, man? Anybody, any Vote Inu people inside the chat, man? Y'all got voted. Y'all making a lot of money on this Vote right now. Vote going crazy. Look at them strong charts on Vote, man. It's a lot of stuff going on inside the crypto space. For real, man. But I found this little, what I want to show y'all. I want to show y'all this, this right here. It was a chart that I was looking. Okay, here we go. So as you can see, Bitcoin, man, Bitcoin is looking like it actually wants to break out. So Bitcoin right now is sitting at $21,414, family. So you can see right here, Bitcoin on a 2-hour chart, put this mean V-shaped pattern, man. It just broke the resistance of 21,299 and it's flying high at 21,403, man. So is Kevin O'Leary prediction going to play out? Are we going to get stopped out at 22K because Bitcoin does not have regulation? I'm going hard, man. Make sure you like and subscribe. I know it's a Friday. I know it's a weekend, man. But you know what I'm saying? I figured today I come on and enjoy the weekend with the family, with the crypto family, man. Like and subscribe, man. You already know what time it is. We almost at 5,000 subscribers, man. But again, I really don't, you know, and unfortunately, I really don't like to trade on the weekend. But, you know, it's like, you know, let me make some little bit of dollars on the weekend. But if you talk to expert traders, they say that the weekend traps traders going into Monday, because what happens on Mondays is the big players, the institutions, all the little businesses and stuff that's invested into crypto that's actually closed, they want a better price to actually get in. So usually if you get a weekend pump or a Friday pump, usually you get a Monday dump, so those institutions could actually get inside and play the game. So, you know, I was watching my boy MMF Crypto, and he was saying how on Mondays, usually you like to see Mondays actually be the day's Bitcoin pump, because that's when the institutions and stuff like that get into it, man. So again, man, we at 21.3, man. Is this the start? Is this the start of everything? Is this the start of everything? Because I know last time around this year, it really started to kick off, and I was looking at my portfolio today, and today I actually I was managing more of my low cap, small cap portfolio. So if you've been following my channel, you know I got a small cap portfolio, and then I got a portfolio full of HODL projects like Near, Polygon, etc., Quant, Hedera, stuff like that. But then I got a small cap portfolio that I'm really banking on this thing 100xing, 1000xing. So what I did was I put a basket of projects with low supply, and we pretty much about to see what this portfolio do. So not financial advice, and they say that don't even matter. You can say not financial advice or not investment advice. That don't even matter no more. But actually, before we actually get into these small caps, and they're all on crypto.com, all right? So, you know what I'm saying? They're all on crypto.com. So a lot of people that's part of my channel, they have crypto.com. So these ones will be easy to follow, and I believe some of them have floored, have bottom, and are in the stage, family, of accumulation. Before we have to actually get into that, you can see right here, this is what I want to show y'all. So even with Bitcoin currently, my boy Stock Money Lizards, he's saying that we are in the Dow cycle theory here. So we're in a stage of accumulation here. So I'm just trying to, you know, figure it out if we're in that stage of accumulation. Usually when we in that stage of accumulation, the next stage of the Dow cycle theory is a move to the upside. Excuse me, I didn't even get my Sprite. Is a move to the upside. So how long it would actually take us to get to 25K, I don't know. Will we break 25K? I don't know. But hopefully, with us seeing that this inflation is starting to peak, that we can actually start to see the Fed easing up, loosen up, and eventually, we don't want to say pivot, maybe turn it down a little bit. Because pivot means like you're doing a full pivot. Like when you playing ball and you pivot, that's like a full pivot. I don't see them fully pivoted. I just see them slowing it down, easing it up, and what they call a soft landing. And I think this is what they plan all the time. When they said a soft landing, this is what they plan. Hike it up, go crazy. In fact, I wish they would have just did full points out the door. We would have been a little bit further down this tunnel. But again, hopefully we see a turnaround with the Fed, man, and these guys get their act together. It's kind of amazing that one person, Jay Powell, is controlling the finances of the world, man. Like and subscribe. How do y'all feel about that? And let me know in the chat right now, man. You know what I'm saying? How's the recession? How's inflation treating you, man? Are your bills paid up? Are your responsibilities taken care of? Is your credit card bill paid up? Or the credit card people calling you every 30 minutes telling you need to pay your credit card bill? Let me know in the chat what's going on, man. Because we may be at the beginning of a new cycle. You know what I'm saying? We may be at the beginning of a new cycle, man. Now, I know the weekend, none of this matters, the DXY and stuff like that, but before it closed, we did see the DXY actually taking a leg down to the downside. So again, and what was a good thing for the crypto is that we closed into the green. So that's always good when we close into the green. Funny thing is, last week we closed in the green 3.9 on the SP, and they said because we was closing 3.9 that we was supposed to break 21K Bitcoin. Never happened. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully we get it this time, y'all. We did see Dogecoin. And Diagonal Mars actually slow down with the news that Elon Musk planned on actually pausing a bit before making a decision on how to integrate crypto inside Twitter, man. What do y'all think he should do, man? Because, you know what I'm saying, I know there's rumors that he's planning on using Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Elon token. I mean, what's the realistic play for Elon Musk to bring crypto adoption inside the Twitter space, man? I think it could be huge for crypto just in general, but at the end of the day, man, we don't want our projects to be based off just one person dropping a tweet or shilling the project, man. We want to have projects that have core fundamentals. We want to have projects that have utility. We want to have projects that have hype outside of an influencer. You know what I mean? So make sure you do diversify. Again, but let's get into some of these small cap plays, because again, the millions and the billions are not just going to be made, family, on your blue chips, okay? So I know in the bear market, I was pushing a lot of blue chips because at the end of the day, I don't want nobody on my channel to actually get wrecked, because I have a respect for everybody that's part of the family. But again, you know what I'm saying? We taking risk on this channel. You know what I'm saying? We gonna shake it up a little bit, and this is some of the things that I've been looking for. So if you been following the channel, you probably already saw some of these plays, but for the new people that's part of the channel, let's talk about some of these plays right here. All right, so see what I've been working on, y'all. So all right, so one of the ones I've been working on is Orion Protocol. Now this thing was pumping all through the weekend. As you can see right here, the volume was 20 million, market cap about 44 million. Now the you'll see that the main thing about these projects that I'm picking is that most of these market caps is under 50 million. All right, so, and again, these projects are on crypto.com. Another thing, some of these projects that I'm actually naming are also listed on Coinbase. So when you see that FOMO kicking into crypto, and all these new users and all these new retail and some of these hedge and investors and all these new companies get into crypto, these cryptos also have exposures of being listed on multiple exchanges here. So the first one I want to talk about is Orion Protocol. All right, so you see Orion Protocol. I don't fall in love with no crypto, but what turned me on about the crypto, baby, is the tokenomics. As you can see right here, 100 million max supply, circulating supply sitting at around 34 million, and we got a token that's sitting about 131 that's in the accumulation stage, family. So in the accumulation stage, we know an all-time high for this project right here, it was like $26. It's easily a $100 project, $150, $200 project, easily when you look at the tokenomics. You can see here, family, that it is in a stage of accumulation. So we want to find projects that's in a stage of accumulation, that where we're not buying at the tops. This ain't the year that we buying at the tops, baby. This is the year that we buying at the floor, and we're gonna ride this thing up. All right, so I like Orion Protocol. I like everything that it stands for. It says Orion Protocol is designed to aggregate the liquidity of multiple crypto exchanges, blah 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 blah. I'm gonna leave you to go do your own research and do your own homework. We're gonna check out the website together. So again, I do believe this is one of the projects that's listed on Coinbase as well, and you want to see that. Like I said, you want to see that. You want to get some things that's not. You don't want all your projects unless you like it. Now this don't go to the people that's super rich, because I know I got a lot of wealthy rich people in the chat, you feel me? I'm trying to get like y'all, but for the regular people, regular retail like myself, that's looking for an opportunity, you can check right here, Orion Protocol. Let's make sure this is on Coinbase. All right, so you can see right here, supported by Coinbase, you can actually buy Orion Protocol on Coinbase. So again, this project got tons of potential, man. 100 million max supply, sitting at $1.31, still hasn't seen its relief rally pump. It pumped a little bit for the weekend, but it got a lot more inside the tank, family. I'm telling you, got a lot more inside the tank. This is one of the ones that I have been looking for. Now, this is my low cap, small cap, high risk, high reward portfolio. All right, so another one I've been looking at, if you've been following this channel, if you got into this, you're in the Discord, you making money with this project, it's Pendo. You know what I'm saying? So I'm heavy, I'm a DeFi DJ, you feel me? I love meme coins, I love gaming coins, but I really love DeFi protocols. I love projects that's about money. You feel me? This is what it's about. It's about money. So Pendo, man, another project you can see right here, 251 million max supply, goated tokenomics. The circulating supply is above that 75% range that we love to see, family. And again, the market cap for this project is 12 million. Now, I'm not sure if it's listed on Coinbase, but it is listed on crypto.com, and right now it's sitting at 6 cents with 250 max tokens, man. Y'all not understanding how important it is to have projects that don't got 30 trillion tokens, you know what I'm saying? That's gonna have you working forever. Let your money work for yourself. So once these projects pick up steam and pick up FOMO and pick up the hype, they become rare. The protocols become rare, and in some cases, you feel me, even though we are buying billion-dollar projects and et cetera, you want to set yourself in a position where something can easily 100x, easily 1000x. So look at this project, 12 million on the market cap. Every time it adds a zero to the market cap, that's another zero to your investment. So if you put $1,000 into it right now and it goes to $120 million market cap, you turn that 1,000 into 10,000. If it goes to $1.2 billion market cap, you turn that $1,000 into $100,000. So again, I'm putting myself, don't do what I do. Matter of fact, don't do what I do, because I don't want y'all doing nothing that I do. And make sure you go check out the sponsors of the channel, Psychotic, man. You know what I'm saying? Go check out the sponsors and the partner of the channel. I'll leave the description in there. Don't do what I do. Do what you do. I'm just pointing you in the right direction where you can find things that's maybe similar. You know what I'm saying? You be like, you go find a project and you see the max supply at about a 50 million. You're like, oh, I remember Millie was telling me about finding projects that don't have tons of freaking tokens inside. Let me do some research on this project. So again, Pendo, it falls into that DeFi derivatives type of project. You feel me? Lending, finance, DeFi. You know what I'm saying? Decentralized finance, baby. DeFi's yield trading protocol. So guess what, family? When the bull run heats up, when the bull cycle heats up, you can go check the history. Go check the history on once these people start using these DeFi protocols. the money starts snapping in. They start snapping in. Everybody wants to leverage 50x, 100x, 5, you know what I'm saying? Send it to the moon. So once people actually start using these protocols, and that's the key, family. These protocols ain't gonna go up unless people start using them. So keep that in mind. People actually got to use the technology. It is an app, all right? So again, let's go back. It's sitting at 6 cents. All-time high here was about $2, all right? It never ever seen an official run because it got released in the bull run. In the midst of the bull run, at the end of the bull run, they released this project. So this is one of those projects that never seen its run. So just imagine a project, you know how they get released, airdrop, whatever, and then everything just dumps off. So now you got that moment of accumulation. You can get your bags up, right? And you can watch this project skyrocket to 50, 100 bucks, 150 bucks because of the tokenomics here, family. That's what we focusing on today. Market cap 12 million. All right, like and subscribe if you're getting some project, because I'm starting to sweat off the forehead, baby. I'm starting to sweat off the forehead. I'm gonna get, and y'all, guess what? I'm gonna get into the chat as soon as I finish this. I'm gonna get into the chat to answer some of these questions because I see y'all going crazy on the questions. All right, let's see if we can get one more. I'm gonna give y'all one more. All right, and then I'm gonna get to some of the questions inside the chat. Let's see if I can. Let me see if I throw y'all one more gem. Let me see if I can throw y'all one more gem. All right. It's a couple of them, man. You got Sheeted Network. Y'all, if y'all gotta write them down, write them down. 12 million, all right? Sheeted Network, 12 million. You can see right here, max supply 70 million. Literally only 50 million more max supply than Bitcoin, and you got a project sitting at 40 cent, family. So again, this project is being built on Kusama. If people use this project, we talking about $300, $500 per token. I'm not even going to do too much talking on Sheeted Network. I want you guys to go to do your homework, to go do your research. This project was also pumping, all right? GTC, Gitcoin, okay? Gitcoin got its flowers from Vitalik Buterin himself. So everybody that's starting these startups, these VCs, these crypto projects, guess where they're getting their funds and their loans from? They're getting it from Gitcoin utility, also listed on Coinbase. You can see right here, Gitcoin total supply is 100 million. We don't like that the max supply is not listed. We wouldn't want to see that listed, but you can see right here, 14 million on circulating supply. So Gitcoin, $2.60, under $50 million market cap, family. Again, and you can see right here, all-time highs. What's this? Let's go to all-time highs. 24 bucks. I think the all-time high is actually higher than this. It's just not listed. So again, you can look at the tokenomics and notice this token is easily $100, $200, $500, $300, $500 token, sitting at about $2.60. And this project is a project that a lot of people are going to be using, family. Okay, so Andre just came to Phantom. This project, I believe, is built on Phantom. You seen Phantom going crazy because everybody's all cheering up. Right? Hey, Andre's back. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Send Phantom back to the moon. And then the connection there with Gitcoin. Gitcoin goes to the moon as well. So I'm not going to go too much into the project. Like I said, these are not reviews. This is little gems that I'm throwing y'all before they actually go on that bull run. But you want to know what's going on. And of course, you got Mask. You got a few more out there. I just want to, give y'all an idea of how I look at small caps that are being listed on crypto.com. And a bonus, Gitcoin is also listed on Coinbase. All right, so let's get into some of these comments, man. Let's get into some of these comments. Actually, when we gonna get to these comments, let's put the Bitcoin chart back on it. Let me know how y'all feeling for the weekend, man. How y'all doing this weekend? What y'all think about Gala, man, and that potential drop that they had? I don't know. I don't want to call it a hack because it wasn't a hack, but I missed out on the play, and I was kind of upset about this because I seen Gala drop down to about 2.7, right? And I was like, damn. I just had bought into D-Ray, and I was like, dang, Gala getting a lot of fear right now. I wanted to get into this play, and that's why it's so important, man, to get on these exchanges that don't got these crazy fees. I'm gonna have to find me another exchange. I'm not really with the whole crypto.com. They charge too much. It's like, man, they be doubling the prices on they cryptos. I'm not with that. Crypto.com, they already got the bag. Stop playing with your boy. But it helps the price value, the price appreciation. And if you do hold Crow token, hey, you're happy to see those type of fees. All right, so let's get into some of these these comments. Pablo, what it is? You was first, baby. Shout out to Wanger. Got you on board. Let's get it. B Ricky, what's up with it, B? Drake's new song is pretty good. Yeah, man. That Drake album, I was just listening to it before I went live, man. It went crazy. Pablo, thank God I didn't sell any of my 1.7 billion Lunar Classics. I bought the dirt cheap and made it on the first pump there that I sold at the top and rebought it from the bottom, and I never. Hey, that's what it's about, man. You know what I'm saying? We seen that with TERRA LUNA CLASSIC. Let's go to TERRA LUNA CLASSIC if I can find it. Here. We just see that TERRA LUNA CLASSIC is back. That's Bitcoin. Man, Bitcoin really going up there. But we see that TERRA LUNA CLASSIC is actually pumping, man. Look at this. Oh my God, it's pumping some more. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh my God, we're going to have to bring this up. TERRA LUNA CLASSIC is pumping. Yeah, I got a moon bag of Lunk, man. You know what I'm saying? I sold profits at the earlier stage from the initial pump. But yeah, it's extremely bullish. You can see even here on the RSI, you got an uptrend on the RSI, followed by an uptrend on the price. Definitely bullish here. Let's see how far we could actually go though. What was the last? Yeah, TERRA LUNA CLASSIC is pumping right now. Joseph, my favorite door-to-door entrepreneur. Thank you, man. Appreciate that, baby. Let's get it, Joe. Ricky made 7K on the first pump, waiting on the next. Hey, it looked like it's pumping right now, man. It does look like it's pumping right now. Let me get a new, bring up a new chart here so y'all actually can see. But TERRA LUNA CLASSIC looks like it's pumping right now, which is good, man. Hopefully they figure out what they're gonna do, like paying the developers and the stuff like that, man. Because TERRA LUNA CLASSIC does have the potential to be a good project. For real. All right, let's see if we can get to where we was at the top of the initial move to the downside here. Appreciate that. Turn up the chat, baby. I can go on the wick lines. Turn up the chat, baby. Broke to the upside on the daily charts. I like Lunk, man. I thought, you know what I'm saying? I know a lot of people was like, look, what do we have? Hey, Fibonacci retracement on here. Let's see where we can head up. All right, man, we gotta break the 236 here, which is 3027. Break 2027, and we moving on up, baby. It's crazy in that small amount of time. I didn't think TERRA LUNA CLASSIC actually fell that much. Sheesh, it actually fell a little bit. So if you've been actually stacking up TERRA LUNA in the 3023 in the man, you're gonna see a nice, good little bit of gains, man. You're gonna see a nice, good little bit of gains here. Oh snap, my sound speakers, my bad. Waiting on let it be. Let's get the pumping high, G. Hey, I gotta do some research on Zilliqa. My opinion, it will be 88. Zeph said 88. You think Elon Musk is gonna use Cardano for the Twitter payments? I don't know about that. He'll probably use something like Litecoin before Cardano, because I would think that he want to get a project that actually is stable. Well, I don't know. Cardano is a pretty stable project. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about Cardano. I've been wanting to buy ADA for a while, but I just can't get into it, man. I just can't get into it. I be thinking a lot of them dudes that be pushing ADA, some of y'all favorite YouTubers, I be thinking they be getting paid to do it, because some of the things that they be saying is just ridiculous, man. I just can't buy the hype of the whole ADA passing Ethereum and Bitcoin. I just don't see it. But that's me. I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Can ADA surpass Bitcoin and Ethereum? That's what BitBoy was saying. Yeah, we look like we getting a move to the upside here. $3.8. Oh boy, say fuck you bullish at 3.8, 3038. We got a little bit more to go, Terra Luna Classic, before we can actually get bullish. But again, it's good to see this move. We definitely got to break 3033 to actually see it actually get extremely bullish here. But it's good to see the RSI reset headed to the upside, along with the pump to the upside right here. It shows bullish action, baby. We out here. Rate levels, it broke all in, was a huge opportunity. Dollar jumped 25% today. Yes, it did. Good evening, everyone. What it do, Count? I use KuCoin, my guy. Hey, I gotta get in. My boy, look, my boy put me on Binance, and what was it? My boy put me on Bybit, but I can't use Bybit without the VPN. So I can't really use Bybit. You know what I'm saying? Like, that boy tried to get me to use Bybit because I want to start like really hitting that leverage and shorts, man. The more and more I learn these charts, the more and more empowerment it give me. Yo, I know you was gonna come in here with a vote, baby. You know we gotta show some love to Vote. Vote been going crazy, man. Look at Vote. Vote charts just off the chain, man. I can't even chart these charts, man. Vote off the chain right now. Vote off the chain. Vote off the chain. OGI, bro. I don't got enough vote to actually for it to matter, man. I don't got enough vote for it to matter, man. You feel me? But Vote is going crazy. Joseph said it already broke that early. Joe, what are you talking about? It already broke what earlier? Hold on. What did it already break earlier? What did it already break earlier? The what? The 236? I don't see that it broke it earlier. If it did break it, it didn't break it. It didn't confidently break it. It didn't break it yet. It's like it broke the downtrend, but it's not bullish yet. DCA into Vote. Man, I need to give me some Vote, but I ain't about to buy Vote right now at the top, baby. I ain't buying Vote at the top. Vote going crazy, but I ain't gonna buy Vote at the top. That shit rolling, bro. I think this was from Gate.io listing. And this is just a whole nother pump right here. Vote might be the meme coin of 2022. What y'all think, man? Every other meme coin pumped and then fizzled out. But it looked like Vote really voting it. You know what I'm saying? Vote really look like it's trying to do something. And what I like is that it's right at that $50 million market cap, so it got so much room to grow, family. So much room to grow. Tokenomics not bad. I never really paid attention to Vote's tokenomics, but the tokenomics not that bad. Vote actually got better tokenomics than Shiba Inu. Vote looking good. I'm gonna have to get me a bag of Vote once it retrace. I never really did any research on the tokenomics and stuff like Vote, but the more and more I look into the project, the more interested I'm getting. I'm gonna have to vote it up, baby. We're gonna have to get voted. Everybody that's vote on the chat, man, make sure you like and subscribe, man. Let's get voted, baby. I'll buy it. I told y'all I got a small bag of Vote, Baby Doge, and Chims Inu in my trust wallet. I do got a small bag, but it's not nothing like where I can get excited about on pumps like this, man. You know what I'm saying? I like to have a bag where, you know what I'm saying, where I can get excited. Like I can look up and be like 10%, 20% and get excited just off a 10%, 20% run, baby. Them the type of bags I like to hold on to, man. I ain't got that type of bag of Vote. I was just messing around on my trust wallet and I was like, you know what? Let me try to, this is when I was first trying to use the trust wallet. So I was like, let me try to use the trust wallet. So, at first my bank denied me from like using MoonPay when I was trying to buy BNB where I can use Pancake Swap to actually swap the tokens. Then I was finally able to do it, but I couldn't put the amount of money I wanted to put on it because my bank was acting funny. If I could have put a lot of money on Trust, I probably would have got a whole lot of Vote, but unfortunately my bank was acting funny, man. And that's the thing right now with crypto adoption, man. If you don't know, this is the new wave, man. So if you all right, so let me show y'all something, man. Like and subscribe if you jamming with your boy tonight, man. It's a Crypto Friday. As soon as I got up off here, I'm going to play some Modern Warfare. I got some Warzone. Man. Drop your tags in the Warzone, man, if you play Warzone. All right, so this right here is going to help crypto when they really pop it up. So Ethereum name service is something that you maybe want to look into, man, and you know what I'm saying, not financial advice now. This is not a bad project, but this is not the point of me explaining Ethereum name service, but I'm more interested in the domains here. Okay, so instead of when you go to you see these little contracts right here, soon this gonna be up out of here. You see these long contracts right here, that's about to be dead in crypto. All right, this is why these projects like Ethereum name service and everything is coming out. So now you'll be able to use like your name, your handle from one of these projects like Ethereum name service. And you're already starting to see people do it, but the contract will be their handle. And what that will do is that will usher in crypto adoption, because a lot of people, you know, the people I talk to, and even inside the and just the average person, they get confused with these little wallets right here. They think like, oh, I might send it to the wrong wallets. I didn't copy the address correctly. I might lose my crypto. So once they start incorporating these name domains, your contract should be your name domain. You feel me? And that way it'd be easier to like send, receive stuff through crypto without having to worry about actually keeping up with this long contract. So that's another thing that has to be changed in crypto. They need to find a way to change these contracts, and I think that's what Ethereum name service and a lot of these name service projects are working to do, where you can actually use your domain as your contract, and it'll be easier for you to send and receive different cryptos through your wallet. So I think that's another thing that's stopping a lot of these projects from actually blowing up, is because people don't take the time to learn how to use Pancake Swap, to learn how to use these swaps and actually get into projects that's small caps. So a lot of people that's been in the crypto space for years, they know the tricks of the trade. They're not going to tell you, they're going to tell you to buy blue chips, which is nothing wrong with buying blue chip projects, especially in a bear market. But the true money for your legacy is made in small caps. You got to know where to get these small caps from. You got to know how to navigate and use your trust wallets. You got to know how to use Pancake Swap, Uniswap. You got to know how to use these things to get in these best deals. Another thing where a lot of people make money off is airdrops. And the average retail or newbie in crypto don't know how to access a airdrop. That's another way to make big bags, big bands in the crypto space, is accessing these airdrops, man. So you got to get in, you know what I mean? You got to get into a project or get into a group of people that actually you can learn from. You know what I'm saying? That's what I do. I try to find me a mastermind in the crypto space. I try to hang around the people that I can continuously learn for. But of course, you got to do your own research. So hopefully crypto fix this little issue with adoption, and I think it'll bring more people to the space. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that in the comments, man. So guys, indeed, brother, appreciate that. OG wanted to see what kind of rewards I get, but nothing in 24 hours. An investor bought $2.5 billion of Bitcoin. No one's really talking about it. For real? That's it. Who you think it was? Kanye West? Kanye West or Kyrie Irving? Kanye West or Kyrie? You said somebody bought 2.5 Bitcoin. I'm trying to find it. See if we can go to Twitter and find it. We live, baby. Make sure y'all go like and subscribe, man. $2.5. This must be what you was talking about right here. About 2.5 billion worth of Bitcoin exited top crypto exchange Binance between October 29th and 30th. Is this what you was talking about, Larell? Wanted to see what kind of rewards I get. Nothing indeed, brother. So true. I don't use MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Scams too risky. But see, that's and that's the thing, man. That's what kind of stop us from actually getting the best plays inside the crypto space, man. Because again, like, of course, with so this is the thing. The cool thing about the bear market, family, is that you can buy blue chip, high end cryptos for low prices, and most of them are being that $500 million range, $1 billion range, and they could 10x. But them all 100xing, probably not likely. And I don't think we think of the psychology when we're actually investing into these projects. We're just thinking like price appreciation, 10x. It could get 10 billion market cap. It could get this market cap. Nah, it don't always work like that. Like, just because a project is at $1 billion, $10 billion, don't mean it's gonna make it to 100 billion or 500 billion like Ethereum. It probably won't never happen. So the key is to get to some of the projects that's 10 million, 5 million, 20 million. You know what I'm saying? And then those can 100x, 1000x, etc. So it's just you know what I'm saying, playing your cards right now. Of course, those are more high risk. They are more high risk, but you got more room to grow. You got more room to grow for price appreciation. So that's why a lot of people are so bullish on something like Quant, for instance. Quant, I don't even think Quant is at $1 billion, a $1 billion project yet. And I think that's why a lot of people are bullish on Quant, because of the Hyperledger technology and the utility as far as interoperability, and the fact that it has an depreciating supply, and the fact that it's not even $1 billion market cap. So it's rare where you can find good projects like that with the technology that people are getting hyped. That's not even $1 billion market cap. Them the ones you want to just hop on. You know what I'm saying? And I know Quant for some people, they're priced out. You know what I'm saying? So it's just how you look at it. Spell bag pumping. People telling me Trust Wallet is what I need, but I don't see the hype. Yeah, man, Trust Wallet is cool, man. The only thing about Trust Wallet is, from what I see, is that sometimes they got a lot of things where they like lose your crypto. I don't think they lose it, but they kind of like, they got bugs. So you'll put like Cheems. I'll pull up Cheems Inu, and sometimes it'll show me like $2,000, $3,000, and then sometimes it'll be like 23 bucks. So it's a lot of bugs with it, but I'm telling you, man, if you want to get into those projects, man, Pancake Swap, Trust Wallet is easy to navigate. Even projects that you can't find on crypto.com like XRP, etc., you can get it through Trust Wallet. So just keep that in mind, man. That's crazy. Quant was sitting at about 40 bucks, man, and it just went on that rise. And sometimes, you know what I'm saying, you got to find those projects. So another good one that I'm banking on right here. Y'all know I'm into swaps, but this is one of the swaps that I'm actually up in profit. So I got a swing trade going on right now with Quick Swap, and this is another one that I'm huge, because if you've seen all the moves that Polygon is making within the crypto space, Quick Swap. Let's go down here. All right, so it says Quick Swap is a fork of Uniswap, the first and arguably the most popular decentralized exchange in existence. Since Polygon is an Ethereum virtual machine compatible, QuickSwap users can enjoy the safety and security afforded by the Uniswap audit. So why use QuickSwap over Uniswap? QuickSwap features a ERC20 token bridge. The bridge lets you quickly bridge your tokens over the Polygon network. That way you can enjoy the low transaction fees, and QuickSwap's only a layer 2 solution like Polygon can offer. So again, this project, this DEX, this swap for Polygon is about to be huge, family. Now the reason I'm saying that is, you can see right here, it's sitting at a $22 million market cap, right? The volume is up about 64%, and the circulating supply, max supply, and total supply is literally goated. It's only 1 million of these tokens out there, 327,000 inside circulating supply, and we already know the hype with Polygon. This project right here is easily $5,000 worth of token. I know it sounds crazy when I'm saying these numbers, family, but if you're talking about something like a Quant, and you're talking about something like Yearn Finance, just look at, don't listen to what I'm doing, don't listen to what I'm saying, go look for yourself. Go look at Yearn Finance. Go look at some of these projects like Aave. Go look at they tokenomics, and then come back and look at QuickSwap, and then you'll understand what I'm saying. The same thing goes for Illuvium, Kusama. All good projects right now that have not seen their relief rally pump or bull pump, whatever you want to call it, that still have an opportunity to get in before we get off the accumulation stage and the floor level. So put this on your watch list. Put QuickSwap on your watch list, baby. I'm telling you, put QuickSwap on your watch list, man. Nah, TK, they don't lose crypto, but it don't read the crypto correctly. I just, like, you know what I'm saying, on my Trust Wallet right now, I gotta go talk to the, email the people and whatever the back office people, and ask them why my Cheems Inu is not reading correctly. And I seen on Twitter a lot of people was going through the same thing. So it's not that they losing the crypto, because my crypto is literally there, but the price of it is not correct. Ricky said, only thing I have on Trust 9 is polka dots, and I staked it last night to see what rewards I would get. Do I have to wait 28 days before rewards? I never staked anything on Trust Wallet, so I can't answer that question. Oh, sweet. Yep. Laurel says, XRP cool, and I just used credit card to buy some small cap Meta Hero, AGIX, Singular, Blocktopia, Tailcoin. Laurel, shout out to my boy Laurel. Y'all shout out to my boy Laurel, because he a couple of small caps, he actually put me on, like Illuvium, Quant. He put me on to those projects. Like, he would come in the comments and be like, Billy, check this out. I'm looking at this. And I go do the research, and then I take a flyer on it. You feel me? And a couple projects that he actually called out was winners, like Quant. You know what I'm saying? I didn't get in Quant at 40 bucks. I actually got into it at 90 bucks, but it was able to go up And we seen good profits from Quant, even in getting into it at $90. So again, man, it's just about finding good people inside the family, man. Shout out to everybody that shows up to the show, man. Make sure y'all like, subscribe. I appreciate everybody. I don't care if it's one person to 500, man. I'm always gonna keep the same energy. One person to 500,000. We always gonna keep it real. We always gonna keep it trill over here on Soap Guys TV channel. All right, man. So yeah, so right now I'm looking at small caps, but I'm real interested in finding projects with goated tokenomics. That's my thing right now. Loading up on the tokenomics. Y'all, Bitcoin's still pumping, baby. We like to see, man. Still pumping. We up to 21.4, baby. How you think we get that 25K by next week? Y'all let me know what y'all think. Thoughts on Tectonic and next move. They did give new information about their plans. What Tectonic say? What's going on with Tonic? Something going on with Tonic? Did I miss something? What's going on with Tonic? Y'all let me know. Come on, CoinMarketCap. It's about time you add Tectonic to the candle charts. Like, why do I gotta go on CoinGecko? My God. Y'all love Tectonic. I be noticing that, man. Y'all love some damn Tectonic. I don't got nothing bad to say about Tectonic. Hey, look, I made a bag off Tectonic. And then I got out of Tectonic, and now I'm waiting for it to go back down so I can make a bag. I trade Tectonic. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Like certain projects, I trade, I swing trade. That's just me. You know what I'm saying? But you know, we all gotta do what we got to do. You good, TK? I don't mind, bro. I don't mind, man. I don't mind. I don't got nothing, no problems with Tectonic. I don't got no problems with crypto.com projects at all. I seen MMF finally pumping. I thought that was dead. But that's the ones that you want to get into, the ones that you think is dead, because them the ones that just go pump crazy. What we got going on Tonic on a 1 hour chart? This small ass chart, man. How do I? There we go. Alright, this is what I was trying to do. Laurel, you good, bro? I just hate how Tectonic don't pull up on the full charts. It's irritating me right now because I want to do some technical analysis on it. What is this looking like? We got a channel right here. Let's check the RSI. I need to find a bigger way I can scale this chart. I don't like how this is looking right here. It's pissing me off. How can anybody know how to use this shit right here? How can I expand this but still be able to see my indicators? Where are my indicators at? So irritating. All right. Anyway, I'll tinker with that when I get an opportunity to tinker with it, y'all. Y'all gotta bear with me. Anyway, Tectonic right here. I'll just do it from right here. We're gonna do the 7 days. I'll do a video on tectonic. Yeah, it has to break the 1938 level, definitely. That's the level it got messed up on last time. But it's still a $16 million market cap, man. It's really nothing to talk about with tectonic. It's kind of like tectonic is kind of like Diagonal Mars as far as like news. You don't really get too much news on it. Like, it is what it is. You lend, you stake. It is what it is. You know, it's either you black or white with tectonic. Same thing with Elon. You feel me? But these projects, they have the hype behind it. They really do have the hype and the communities behind them. So they gonna do good regardless. As long as they got the community behind it, they gonna do good regardless. So I'm not really too much concerned about tectonic at all. You feel me? I just look at it as an opportunity to accumulate. Of course, it does have a lot of freaking zeros, and we're not worried about that because we know that it could kill 2 zeros, and that's all they got to do. You put $1,000 in it right now, it killed 2 zeros. That's 100,000. It is what it is. So it's just how, you know, it's just your patience level. It really just determines on your patience level. Is you gonna be patient because it ain't gonna happen overnight. So you got to remember that. Appreciate that, man. You know, and it's hard to find that info, man, because they really make it hard for the influencers, man. Elon really makes it hard for the influencers. I'm gonna holler at the devs by the bricks. They got me messed up, bro. They really make it hard for the influencers, and I don't get paid by those guys or nothing. In fact, if I do have a partnership, I always let y'all know if I get sponsored, if I get paid, or if I get a paid sponsorship. You feel me? And you know, we do that through the bear. I don't really like to do them through bear markets, but we do that through the bear markets. We gotta pay the bills, baby. We gotta pay the bills. You feel me? But a lot of sponsorships, man, be high risk, high reward. Unfortunately, never got paid anything by Elon. Just did that out of the hustle, man. I was hustling, I was grinding, I was trying to build my channel, and it was one of the things that I was holding at the time. I was one of the people that that bought at the top and the bottom, but really got in a lot at the top, thinking that it was gonna be the next Shiba Inu and all that extra stuff when I first started taking crypto serious. But I will tell you that if I knew what I do now, I don't know, family. I don't know if that would have been my first choice. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't know if that would have been my first choice. Now, I did make a lot of bags off it. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to complain. But it was a lot of opportunities that I missed out on. Focus on that because at one point I had 13 billion Diagonal Mars tokens. 13 billion, y'all. Yeah. 13 billion. Y'all remember a year ago when I did the how to be a Diagonal Mars millionaire? You feel me? We had 13 billion tokens, man. We turning up, baby. You feel me? But we did an Ethereum trade right around the Ethereum merge. So even though I still hold billions of the tokens, I did an Ethereum trade right around the Ethereum merge, and we was able to catch Ethereum around $900, and it scaled all the way to $2,000. So we also took profits on that trade, which was cool. You feel me? Good little profits made on Ethereum. But at the end of the day, if I would have held all of those tokens when Elon just went on that last pump, probably would have got even bigger bags out of the deal. So, you know what I'm saying? You live and you learn. Experience is the best teacher. And as I take this walk and this journey with you guys, you feel me? I'll let you know and be transparent and let you know every up and down that I went through. You know what I'm saying? Not going to act like I just always make the right call or always make the right play. We make mistakes every day on the crypto, man. You know, it is what it is, and experience is the best teacher. TK says yes. Appreciate that, Laurel. Said I missed a lot too, and in the beginning bought a lot at the tops. Yeah, man, that's how it be, man. You had the crypto guys spawning in talking about Bitcoin, 100K, 150K, baby. That joint dropped from like 69 to like 30. And then it went back up to 60. You feel me? But they was spawning in everywhere. 100K, 150K. We going to the moon. We going to Mars. Everybody was going into Mars. And so much FOMO came in that a lot of people started buying these projects at the top, thinking that this is it. This is it. And boy, they wasn't ready for that inflation. And boy, they wasn't ready for J Powell. And boy, they wasn't ready for the recession. Family, you feel me? Slapped them all in the face. Shout out my boy Ricky Tops, baby. Yeah, I gotta start going live more often, man. I be trying to find a time to do it because, you know, I still work on my business each and every day. And a lot of people be in the comments like, Millie, you need to start going live more often. And I'll be like, man, you know what I'm saying? I should start going more live. So that's what I'm gonna do, family. I'm gonna start going more live. We're gonna try to build a channel up like that. Like I said, we almost at 5,000 subscribers. Last time I checked, we was probably like 6 or 7 people away from 5,000 subscribers. So, you know what I'm saying? Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's get there, man. Yeah, Ricky, I went in on a hype, man, and you know what I'm saying? I was always a big Elon Musk fan, you feel me? So, it's not that I thought Elon was behind the project, but you feel me? I just like the whole spin of the Elon Musk thing with the dog on Mars. And yeah, I had a lot of those tokens at the top, you feel me? And it was a painful fall to the bottom. But then things started picking up probably like a month ago or 2 months ago, and I started DCAing heavily at the 2-3 level, like heavily trying to bring my averages down. Actually, to be honest with you, I was actually DCAing at each dip, each level, each dip. But at the time, my portfolio wasn't a variety. It was like 80% Dog Mars and then the rest crypto. But I had like 80% inside Elon at the time. And then as I started doing more research, I ran across stuff like Near, Hedera, HBAR, Gala, just stuff that I felt like, okay, I like Near Protocol, like what they got to offer. I like Gala because of the games. I like etc. So I started diversifying my portfolio, and that's why I was telling people I was lightly DCA into Elon at the time, and then we started going crazy. We started picking up at 2-3 because I was talking to a lot of people within my crypto circle, and they was like, look, this may be the floor, this may be the bottom, this may be the time to actually load up. At the time, I was into doing a little schooling, learning different things about charting and how to read charts, and you know what I'm saying, for 3 to 6 months that I've actually been doing that, man, it changed my life. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm able to make money along the way and not have to just determine my bag in crypto based on hodling projects. And I would recommend everybody to learn how to read charts, even if it's just light reading. You ain't got to be an expert, you know what I'm saying, technical analysis person, but just learning the basics, it can actually set you up in positions where you can know when to enter trades, you know, leave trades, stop trades, whatever, however you want to look at it. You know what I'm saying? But it makes it a lot more easier when you enter. And so, I don't know. If I knew what I knew now, I could have looked at the Dog Mars charts and seen that what was about to happen. You know what I'm saying? But I didn't know that then, but now I know now. And it's been like, what, 13 months later? So 13 months later, we're here, family, and we're so much better than we were 13 months ago. And if you was part of that channel when I first started doing the entrepreneur and the crypto stuff, then you've seen the growth over the last 13 months. And I appreciate everybody that actually been here for the last 13 months. So it is what it is, man. Marcel, well, you must have come easy at the bottom line. It's great. Shout out to Michelle. Congratulations to you, Michelle. That's what I'm talking about, man. We need more ladies in crypto, man. Hit the like and subscribe for Michelle, man. We need more ladies in crypto. That's going to push the adoption of crypto, man. Ladies, we know ladies love to spend the most money on everything. They the biggest in retail. We need ladies inside crypto, man. Show some love to Michelle. We love to see Michelle up on her crypto bags, baby. We love to see that, man. Shout out to you, Michelle. Congratulations. And to anybody else that bought at the bottom and was able to take advantage of these dips, now you're seeing these this green, and you know, in the market. Shout out to you as well. Now let's get back into the Bitcoin charts here. All right, we're finally starting to see some consolidation at 21K 400. 21.4. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's get to that 25K. You feel me? We need to see that strength. Well, the hype is not literally over. The hype is literally just begun. You know what I'm saying? The whole Elon Twitter integration thing has just begun. But this is the thing about Diagonal Mars right here. Let's just pull up the charts here, and I can just pull it up. Oh my. So this thing about Diagonal Mars right now, we are in a pattern. We're in a pattern, as you can see right here, and we need to break this pattern. But as far as the RSI looks like it wants to break back to the upside. So we could see another move to the upside, just like Terra Luna Classic. Now, it might not happen today. It might not happen tomorrow. It might not happen Monday. But you can see here that we clearly on the downtrend. We broke the downtrend, and we were clearly on the downtrend on the upside. We broke the downtrend on the upside, and we got a lower high right here. So we got a hidden bullish divergence right here at the bottom. We got a hidden bullish divergence. So again, we could see a move up to the upside with Elon sitting at 60042. We got to break the 382, which is 6045. And if we can break that, then we can, finally get bullish, man. But what took a lot of steam out the project as far as the recent days is the whole Elon Musk coming out and saying he's pausing and pumping the brakes on the Twitter and crypto integration. We need that. We need that Twitter and crypto integration. But the positive thing about that is having a token named Elon. As anything Elon does, it's going to literally either send the token to the moon or send it to the dump. So you got to think about both angles. A lot of people think about just the fact that it's named Elon. So anything Elon does positive, you get positive reaction. But you also got to look at the key man risk and the negativity also around the ticker and the being named Elon. So it's a two-way streak, man. Double-edged sword that you got right there. But I don't think the hype is dead. The hype has just begun. This project has 1 million people on the watch list and 140,000 holders. And it has 1 million people on the watch list, 140,000 holders, and literally no freaking marketing strategy. Like, the marketing strategy for Elon is ass. I'm gonna be honest with you, complete ass. I keep it real, complete ass. But you do have the Methuselah Foundation, and if you're a person that believes in the Methuselah Foundation and what they could possibly offer as far as off-chain utility for Elon, then hey, maybe. But if you're looking for a quick swing trade, you got time. You got time to maneuver your money and get back in. Let's be real with these meme coins, man, because it's like y'all don't listen sometimes. With the meme coins, you have time. You have time. Now, of course, some of them just fly off the freaking map, but they come back down, and then they do it again. And the whales, what they do is they don't have no emotion in crypto. They don't have no emotion in crypto. What the whales do is they wreck us, is because all of y'all get all cult-tastic and tribalistic about these projects. But what the whales do, they go from community to community to community to community, getting gains on y'all ass. Gains, getting bags. Soon as Elon Steam stop, they go hop into Terra Luna. Then when Terra Luna Steam stop, they go hop into Vote. And then when Vote slow down, hell, they go hop into Samo. You feel me? So what the whales do is they hop community to community to community and take advantage of the hype. Meanwhile, y'all get too wrapped emotionally into these cryptos, man. And you know how I don't get emotionally wrapped to no crypto. I don't know these dudes. I don't know these founders. I don't know these guys. They regular dudes like me. I got problems. They got problems. So I got trust issues. So I already don't get emotionally connected to no project. And I hate to see that in the community, because I see it on daily basis of tribalism within the crypto space. We need to get that up out the crypto space. We need to get that out the crypto space. We need to work together, because if we don't, you got the people like SBF, man. They coming. And if you ain't make no bags now, if you ain't make nothing now, then you might not never make nothing. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, You gotta make your moves now. While we in here early, don't be late, man. Michelle said I'm not doing good at AMC. Lorel, I usually use basic chart, works well. Ain't nothing wrong with that, Lorel. Take on and go eat them zeros like Pac-Man. Facts. Okay, you sold me, I'm staying in. I wasn't trying to sell you to stay in. I just told you that I've sold, took profits, did swing trades, all of my Diagonal Marcy. I don't tell nobody to hold no meme coin. Please, 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 don't hold meme coins, baby. Unless you truly believe in the project. Now, if you truly believe in Elon, hold it. But you gotta do what's best for you. Sonic can break 1938. Our next level resistance is like eating the zero. Just like the hype of Lunk and Coinbase listing rumors. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what's going on with that. I don't know what's going on with Coinbase and Lunk. Y'all really think Coinbase is gonna list Lunk? Hey, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But y'all really think Coinbase gonna list Lunk? Come on, man. Come on, man. I'd rather talk about the XRP hype than talk about if Coinbase is gonna list Lunk. Coinbase not listing Lunk, man. Coinbase not listing Lunk, man. I don't know why everybody getting hype on that. Coinbase already been hounded by the SEC. And y'all think they finna list Lunk while Do Kwon on the run? And 350 investors is looking for Do Kwon right now. You think they finna list Lunk? They not finna list Lunk, trust me. And then the people on Twitter talking about, oh, Lunk will help Coinbase fourth quarter earnings. Hopium. Goddamn hopium. That's hopium, bro. Coinbase delisted Lunk. Coinbase got a lot of projects that they say that you can, that's on the watch list, but that's not listed. I don't think, that's my opinion, man. You know what I'm saying? I just don't think they relist Lunk because Lunk got too much going on, and Coinbase is one of those projects that aim on doing everything right across the board because they want to be in the light of regulation. So I don't see Coinbase listing Lunk anytime, relisting Lunk, okay? Relisting Lunk anytime soon. My birthday week is coming up with like Lunk to go parabolic Wednesday when the red waves come. Hey, it's going parabolic right now, y'all. Look at Near Protocol, man. Just rising. Yeah, B, I don't know about that one, man. You know what I'm saying? No, I don't think they was actually spreading the rumor. I think they was just trying to get people to like vote and spread the Twitter and was like, oh, everybody get into the whole Coinbase relisting Lunk thing. I just don't think that happens, man. Lunk just got too much going on, bro. It just got too much going on for me to even think that it would potentially get relisted on a prestigious platform like Coinbase. You know what I'm saying? Coinbase just got too many, you know what I'm saying, too many eyes on it right now, and I just don't feel like with the Do Kwon distraction, it's a good look for Coinbase. It has nothing to do with Terra Luna Classic because we know Lunk doesn't have anything to do with Do Kwon as of now, but the whole dark cloud and ghost of Do Kwon still hangs over Lunk. So it's just like I don't want to bring up the whole, you feel me? You feel me? Look, the Nike. All right, for instance, let me give y'all an example. All right, so I'm all about peace. All right, let's get this clear. I'm about peace. All right, so Kyrie Irving Nike thing. I don't have an opinion on it. I'm not here to speak on it. But this is an example. Nike probably make bags off Kyrie Irving shoes, but they not about to sell Kyrie Irving shoes because of the dark cloud and that comes with Kyrie Irving. You get what I'm saying? It's the same thing with Coinbase and Lunk. Lunk might make bags for Coinbase, but the reputation is what they're looking at, and they not gonna go with that. And it's the same thing with Nike and Kyrie. Nike, Kyrie, Coinbase, Lunk. All right, y'all get where I'm going at there. It's just a risk for your business, a risk for your reputation to be, you know what I'm saying, dealing with that type of situation. All right, Ricky, man, holla at you, Rick. There's a $2 million bounty on Do Kwon. Sheesh. All right, Michelle. Night B. Dogalon Mars. You already know Morris. Lunk will moon even more. Yeah, I'm with you, Lunk. Shout out to Lunk. We knew some Lunk people was gonna come in and chat, man. Turn up the chat, Lunk. Lunk, turn up the chat, baby. What y'all think? Where y'all going at, man? Y'all going to 3030 tonight? Y'all know Lunk like to take off fast, man. Lunk might just hit 3030 tonight, baby. So you know, Lunk be moving. Lunk move kind of fast. Y'all see the last time we got that move right here. Yeah, Lunk moved pretty fast. Right? 100, 3030. But yeah, nothing bad about Lunk, nothing bad about what they got going on. In fact, they actually got some good things going on. The fact that they building out the ecosystem, the fact that they finally playing the developers, the fact that people are starting to get along with the proposals, everybody's starting to work together. That's all positive for Lunk, and we're seeing it affected in the price appreciation. It's just I doubt the Coinbase relisting. I know it's already been listed, but yeah, Coinbase is one of those people that they like to make sure they doing everything Daddy Gary Gensler say do. They trying to make sure they doing everything Daddy Gary Gensler say do correctly. You feel me? Coinbase, they were SBF and them dudes, man. Lorel, I'm not about to get into that. I'm not about to get into no Kanye. Kyrie. It comes a time where you got to make a decision, man. You got to make a decision. Everybody got their core beliefs, but you got to make a decision, man, for your legacy, man. Sometimes when we make decisions, you know, it's good to think about our kids, future, stuff that we built. That's the moral of the story, man. One decision, one reaction can change your life forever. That's why, you know what I'm saying, and you know what I mean, and that goes for anything, man. And the reason I'm saying that, man, because y'all, yeah, he thinks Do Kwon might be in it still. Nobody buying the Adidas in the hood. Andrew Tate is shout out to our boy Andrew Tate. Hey, did y'all see that video where Cassidy Campbell was impersonating Andrew Tate in public? That was crazy. Y'all go check that out on YouTube, man. He had me rolling. Nobody's buying Adidas in the hood. Nah. Did you see Clay's video today? He thinks Do Kwon might be in it still. Yeah, a lot of people think Do Kwon might be in it still. In fact, a lot of people think Do Kwon still has the keys. I mean, out of nowhere, Do Kwon comes and says, Terra Luna Classic has $4 million. How does he know that? You know what I'm saying? How does he know that? So, I mean, you gotta be a complete fool to think Do Kwon still is not some way involved with Terra Luna Classic. I told y'all a while back, I thought Lunk Dow, for a while, I thought Lunk Dow and Do Kwon was the same damn person. The way Lunk Dow be stroking Do Kwon, I thought they was the same person. You feel me? So at the end of the day, shout out to my boy Lunk Dow. He funny as a mother. But still, like, man, it's just too much connections for me to think that he does not have anything to do with it. Come on, man. I mean, I'm not, you know, I'm one of them people that came in the crypto space and is gonna keep it goddamn real with y'all, man. I'm not them dudes that y'all listen to, bro. I'm not gonna come up here and act like everything peaches and cream. I know how litigation works. I know how business works. I know how we seen my boy from Michael Strategy, Michael Saylor, right? We see my boy Michael Saylor step down from Michael Strategy. Why do you think he did that? You think he stepped down because he didn't want to be the owner or the founder? Nah, he stepped down because them people was on his ass. But he's still involved with Michael Strategy. Just because Michael Saylor stepped down, that doesn't mean he's not involved with Michael Strategy. Come on, man. Let's use common sense. It's called common sense for a reason. It's called, come on, sense. When you see sense over there, right? You go, come on, sense. Come on, sense. Y'all like and subscribe, man. Y'all like and subscribe, man. Y'all like and subscribe. L'Oreal with the Tate is top dog. Why? Stop doing that, L'Oreal. We got some ladies in the chat, man. Stop it. I love my ladies, man. I don't agree with everything Tate says. Tate is a funny guy. Tate is top dog. Yeah, we got yeah, Michelle, that's crazy, man. You know, I ain't never seen no shit like this, man. I'm gonna be honest with you. I never seen nothing like this, man. Yo, like, bruh. Let that have been somebody. I don't even want to say it, man. But let's be honest, man. Daquan getting away with a lot of stuff an average person wouldn't get away with, man. Let's be average. Like, you know what I'm saying? If that was a... Come on, man. They would have been found Daquan. And then they said my boy Daquan was manipulating the Luna prices, and these dudes made millions and billions of dollars off the release of Luna, man. You don't think my dog got a bag? Dude, literally a genius. He just cocky, but he literally a genius. I ain't never seen nobody get and talk smack to the Interpol. God dang, bro, over here talking smack to the feds. I don't know. My boy said, all right, I'll throw a meetup conference soon to get over this and hiding bullshit cops around the world. Cops from world over, welcome to the 10. For those of you that have been spreading falsehood on the taxpayers' dime, you invited with VIP honors will even pay for your plane ticket. Yeah, you paying for people plane ticket because you got a bag. I don't know, man. What y'all think about Daquan, man? That's crazy. That is crazy, man. Bruh, that's what I'm trying to tell y'all. They don't understand all that crypto space. Let me tell y'all, man. Let me tell y'all something. It's a circle within the crypto space, right? Alright, so let me go to YouTube right quick. Alright, so let's check this out. If you ain't watched this video, I ain't even gonna play the video. Where my boy at? If you haven't watched this video, right, I advise you to go watch this video right here. If you ain't watched this video right here by Chico Crypto, I advise you to go watch this video. Crypto billionaires end up dead after exposing the global elite. Go watch that video right now, man. Go watch that video and come back or whatever you got to do. I'm telling you, man, it's some people within the crypto space, man. It's some scary people out here, man. So, again, it may look like it's peaches and cream, but it's a reason Jamie Dimon went up there and said that it's a whole bunch of stuff going on in crypto that a lot of people don't know that's going on. And a lot of people within these inner circles, they know what's going on. They know what's going on. Some of the same people that created some of the biggest projects are the founders of some of the smallest projects. But they'll never tell you. They probably got 6 meme coins out there, and you don't even know they the founder of all 6 meme coins. You don't know this. This is why it's a constant struggle between people who want regulation and the people who don't want regulation, because there's a bad side of crypto as well, y'all. There's a bad side of crypto, all right? So, I don't know what they got going on. I don't know. I was watching a video where they said the goddamn military created Bitcoin. They said the military, they said the message, the code, and that's the same code that the military use. So, I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that in the chat. Well, of course, Michelle, not right now. Well, when you get a chance, you know what I'm saying? We need you here. We need you here. But maybe when you get a chance, Michelle, check out that video. I didn't even know the owner of DAI or whatever stablecoin, whatever that was, died October 29th. I didn't even know that. It was like they swept that under the rug. I didn't even know that. Dudes supposedly drowned. Nobody even know what happened to these dudes. Y'all go watch that video. She said, crypto gives me knots in my stomach. Yeah, man, it's a lot of dirty people in the crypto space, man. And they making a bad name for everybody, you know what I'm saying? So that's why it's so important that we spread love, we spread positivity, man, we spread awareness. You feel me? I'm all for decentralized, but even though I'm all for decentralized, I'm still all for doing things the right way, family. So I want y'all to keep that in mind. I want y'all to keep that in mind. She says, yeah, it's crazy out here, man. But y'all go check that out. Check Bitcoin one more time. Alright. I see my boy Vision talking about Safe Moon, man. I don't know what to think about Safe Moon. I told you I gotta do more research on Safe Moon. But we about to see, man. We about to see how the weekend turn out. Bitcoin look like it still want to pump going into Saturday. So we'll just have to see, family. Y'all let me know. I ain't gonna hold y'all up. I'm about to get up out of here. Enjoy the rest of my Friday night, man. Thank you for everybody that showed up. Let me know in the comments, man, if crypto will continue to pump for the rest of the night, man. Y'all have a lovely night, man. Catch y'all in the next